In this video, you'll learn how to delete an Asana project in under 60 seconds. By following these steps, you will successfully remove a project from your workspace, including all associated tasks and conversations. Start by opening the Asana application on your computer or accessing it through your web browser. If prompted, sign into your account. Once you are inside your workspace, look at the left sidebar where all your teams and projects are listed. Take a moment to locate the exact project you wish to delete. It is crucial to ensure that this project is no longer needed, as deleting it will remove its tasks, conversations, and structure from your main view. Confirm that any important information has been saved elsewhere to avoid confusion for your team. Next, click on the project name to open it fully. At the top of the project screen, you will notice a small drop-down arrow next to the project title or a three-dot menu located in the top right corner. Click on this arrow or menu to open the project options. Within this options menu, you will find various controls such as renaming the project, adjusting privacy settings, and managing members. Carefully scroll through the options until you locate the delete project choice. Asana includes this option within the settings to help prevent accidental deletions. So take a moment to ensure you have selected the correct project. After selecting delete project, Asana will display a confirmation message prompting you to verify your decision. This extra step serves to protect your work from being removed unintentionally. It is important to read the confirmation message thoroughly. Once you are certain that you want to proceed, click the delete button to finalize the action. Within seconds, the project will be removed from your workspace view. Keep in mind that if your team members had access to the project, they will no longer see it once it has been deleted. Deleting unused projects helps maintain a clean and organized workspace, making it easier to manage multiple projects simultaneously. Before proceeding, ensure that you have considered the implications of this action on your team's workflow. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.